You're now professional poo-poo paper makers. You must be so proud. Take a bow.
Like that. Big seat. Thumb up like this.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, professional poo-poo paper makers. What does it feel like? Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, Max is leading the way. Followed closely by Cam and Lincoln. On a mission to see the poo-poo paper. It does say to start the tour that way. Okay. That's probably because I told them to go that way. Look at these like piles of poo-poo. That's what the flower. Are those the rocks? Okay. Oh wow, a variety of poop to choose from.
Actually, section poop. Look how big these poop balls are. You see all the plant fibers in it? Because that's all the stuff their body can take.
Poo, fertilizer.
No, not we're on chips right now.
What does it feel like? Oh boy. Oh boy.
Pass it to me.
Okay, pass it to Max. It's like plain hot potato with elephant. It almost looks like a big coconut. Why is it so big?
I don't know why it's so big. Catch it, yeah. Catch it. That's the giant catch it. Hey guys!
Okay, boiling clean. Oh wow, okay, this looks hot. Let's be careful. Don't touch, looks hot.
It's elephant poo, everybody.
Ooh.
That is elephant poo. No. Looks like more like elephant hair. I'm guessing that the liquid is elephant poo.
Ew, Link, look at the camera. What do you think?
Gross!
Yeah.
Looks like elephant hair.
Ew.
That roasting. Guys, what's this?
Oh wow, now they dry it over here. After they boil it, they dry it.
Wait, so this is boiled poo?
This is dried poo now. They put it in the sun to dry. Over here they mix it and put colors on it.
Is that?
Oh wow. But this is like the final product, closer to the final product.
Look at all those colors. Guys, let's paper.
Sawadee-ka.
We're making elephant paper.
Oh wow, look at these different colors.
Look at all these different colors.
Wow, what's your favorite color, Maddie?
We're gonna make elephant paper with that elephant poop paper.
These are pulp.
It looks wet.
Poo balls.
Paper.
Are they wet? What do they feel like?
It's squishy. It's squishy.
Can you show us? Yeah, okay. Come over here, she's gonna show us.
That it. Ow.
Ooh, wow. Is it hot, Maddie?
Break the ball in half. Like this. Shake the pool to your frame. Like this. Shake.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Shake the pool. Okay. Shake.
Oh, wow. Shake it up, Link.
It.
Take your hands, shake it, mix it.
No. Shake the paper. No. Shake like this. Shake the pool like this.
You mix it out.
Is an elephant now?
Get your hands dirty.
So elephants poo on my hands?
Yeah, sort of.
You can try making paper.
Okay, cool, Maddie, where are we going? Whoa, very cool. Oh, wow. Let's try that poo. Maddie, is that cool? What do you think? Eden, what do you think? Gross.
Now you're gonna be.
No, I'm gonna try. Can you do the other one? Ew, don't wash poo-poo paper on me.
Poo paper on you.
Okay, you have to say. Tell me, bring the paper to get dry.
rozłożyć równomiernie.
You can walk around.
That's so cool. Now we're gonna dry it.
Bring the paper. Get dried over here. Everyone bring this way. We dry the paper here. Put it down here. Yeah. After that, you come stand behind. Stand behind here. This way. Yeah, take a picture. Take a picture a little bit.
How long does it take to dry?
3 to 5 hours. That's it. And the paper is will be dry.
Wow.
Down here.
Smile, Eden.
You're now professional poo-poo paper makers. You must be so proud.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, professional poo-poo paper makers.
Some part we cannot be used. Why we cut it out and bring it to recycle. We not throw anything away. And some part we can be used. You see up here. So we're going to cut it. Turn to be some small products. Yeah, this is still very wet. So why look like this? You look over here. After the water drop off, see, they will get thinner like this. Take 3 to 5 hours. That's it. And the paper will be dry. After the paper dry, they will stick on the tray like this. Huh? Just stick like this. Just stick like this. How we can peel the paper to come out? You like to see? You
Yes.
like to help me? Yeah. Let's go wash your hand first. Let's go over here. Let's go wash your hand and then we come peel the paper out.
I was wondering when they were gonna wash their hands.
My hand.
Oh wow, a tire.
Look at mine.
Water.
Look at mine.
Do they even smell like poo-poo? No, right?
They just smell nice.
Yeah, it doesn't smell bad at all.
Mom, look.
Are they almost clean?
Hey, now you look. Wow, see? Normally, if we hang the paper like that, take 3 to 5 hours, and the paper will be dry like this. Ooh, see? After they dry, they stick. Knock like this. Came out,
Yeah.
please. Came out. Ooh, they not come out. Ooh, how to do? You know how to do? This side. This one? This side. And you come here, one person. Come here, little one. Okay. Now, you stand here like this. Your job, the 2 person. Now 2 person here, your job, use your hand. Use your hand, push it like this. 1, 2, 3. See? Push like this, you do like this. Push. Okay, try. Help. You push like this. See? Push like that. Yeah, and now you pull it. You pull it.
Now you pull it.
And now slowly, you pull this side. And you pull this side and here together. Yes, like that, they come out. Yeah, and now.
Oh.
You pull this side, you pull this side. You pull in the middle and you
Oh
pull this
my
side.
gosh.
See? And now step back. Step back. Yes, step back like that. Slowly. And step back. Now they came out. Now
This
they came
looks
out.
kind of like a
Step back like that.
bedroom.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Pepper.
That's so
You see the tray? Everyone, you have a look here. You see the tray? They have the small hole around. Yeah, for the water to drop. So when the water drop out, they put the fiber to stick on the tray like this. So why in the bottom side is quite flat. Yeah, you feel it, not quite flat. But if you look on the top, it's going to be rough like this. This is because the handmade. Yeah, most the product we just use the paper like this because the handmade paper it just look nice like this. Only in the book. Only in the book for right now. Everyone, you have a look over here. This one, feel it. This is after use the machine to tapping. Yeah, use the machine to mill it. Now use the machine to mill it. See, you feel it over here.
That's the difference. If you feel that one, it's made from a machine.
It's very flat. See? Get the paper already. Now we're going to bring this paper to cut, and turn to be the products. After we get the paper, we will bring all the paper down here. So a lot of paper and our staff, they're going to cut the paper, turn to be the product to sell. When we have the customer, they come visit us. If they like to have some souvenir back home for themselves or for the friend, at the gift shop, it's a lot of complete product you can buy there. But here, you can create design by yourself.
Look at all the options.
The greeting card's down here.
Mom, hold this.
Pick it up by hand like this. And
I need a pie.
after that, you use this one.
There's the letter O. Did you find all your letters, Lane?
No.
Put the glue down here for you. Now this one, only elephant.
No. And then use it. Pick it up and put it where you want.
Them drop in the glue like this. Okay, after that now, pick it up. You over here, pick it up like this. Yeah, see? Ding, ding, ding. Pick it up where you want to glue it on. Put it down. Put it down. Use one finger. Help. Use one finger only. Yes, like that. And bring the toe out. Okay, now you do like this. We pick it up by hand. Yeah. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, it's just change. We put the poo. We put the poo inside the blender. Put the clean water. 10% waste paper. You see it in the basket. We have a lot of waste paper, right? After we get the paper, cut the paper to be the product. So we have left a little bit paper like that. We not throw away. We bring back to recycle. Put mix together only 10%.
Okay. Addie, where do they get the food from?
The elephants.
How do they pay for it?
Yeah.
With what?
They give the elephants bananas and mangoes to eat, and then in exchange, I made the elephants poo poo.
Smile. Open your phone.
Paper much softer. What? Yeah, paper much softer. Look at how puffy this is. Because this is all the stuff they've been eating. Who? The elephants. They've been eating all this stuff. This right here, that's part of the poop that they pooped out that they ate. And then they